This video covers section 5.3, Multiplying Polynomials. Objective 5, Square a binomial. To say squaring a binomial means to have an exponent of 2 on the binomial. And anytime we square, we rewrite that factor 2 times. And now the FOIL method takes over. We have x times x, which is x squared, x times 3, which is 3x. 3 times x, which is another 3x, and 3 times 3, which is 9. We end up with 2 of those 3x's, which makes 6x, or x squared plus 6x plus 9. This is the shape that the square of binomials take on, or the form, as we like to say. 2 of those AB's in the middle. We say that this is the square of a binomial, and this is a perfect square trinomial on the right. When performing the square of a binomial, rewrite your binomial 2 times and then FOIL. Z times z is z squared. Z times negative 9 is negative 9z. Negative 9 times z is negative 9z. And negative 9 times negative 9 is positive 81. The middle term is always double. 9 and 9 makes 18. Negative 9z minus 9z is negative 18z. Three z minus 4 squared is 2 factors of 3z minus 4. We take the product of the first terms, 3z times 3z. 3z times negative 4. And negative 4 times 3z. And negative 4 times negative 4. That's the perfect square, 9z squared. That's minus 12z minus 12z. And negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. The middle terms are combining to give us negative 24z. We have 9z squared minus 24z plus 16. 3x plus 2y, quantity squared, or the square of 3x plus 2y. We write that out twice, and now we use FOIL. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 2y and 2y times 3x. Two y times 2y. So this gives me a middle term of 6xy plus another 6xy. And then 2y times 2y is 4y squared. The middle terms combine. I get 9x squared plus 12xy plus 4y squared. There are 2 practice problems for you to try. I encourage you to press pause on your video and work these out and come back when you're ready to see the solution. Now that you've had your chance to work these out, I'll work these out with you. We have a 5p plus 1 repeated twice. We use the FOIL method, 5p times 5p, which is 25p squared. We have another 5p and another 5p. 1 times 1 is 1. The middle terms combine and give us 2 of those, or 10p. 25p squared plus 10p plus 1. (8x minus 3y squared). We repeat that twice. 8x times 8x is 64x squared. 8x times negative 3y minus 3y times 8x. Minus 3y times negative 3y. 8x times negative 3y is negative 24xy. Negative 3y times 8x is negative 24xy. Negative 3y times negative 3y is a positive 9y squared. So we get 64x squared. Negative 24 minus 24 is negative 48xy plus 9y squared. This concludes the video for section 5.3, Multiplying Polynomials, Objective 5, Square a Binomial.